Hi everybody, good evening. My name is Sara Maria Vélez Verbel. I'm a student at UNAD University. This work corresponds to the course of Teaching English as a Foreign Language. We are going to study the Unit 2, How to Improve Writing Skills Through the Use of ICT. My tutor is Edith Grande. I belong to the CIAT Corusal. This is the task number 2. If we talk about ICT, we are talking about the use of mobile devices. Mobile devices like computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Currently, or today, most of the young people and teenagers are accustomed to play with these devices. We can tell some very famous games like Fortnite, and we can mention that Facebook has so many interesting and popular games like Mafia World. It's important to say that when people participate in these games, they play, but they also make groups, and these groups play together. They help each other, they prepare some actions, and in these cases, they use solve problems. They help each other, as I said before, and in this case, they can improve writing. I know writing is not very formal in these games, but they write and participate together doing some actions. Okay. As I said before, Facebook has many good games like Mafia Wars, one of the most famous. Okay, talking about devices, mobile devices, we also can talk about podcasts, audios, or video files. Teacher can use these podcasts that are very popular and famous because here teacher can let the students practice listening and reading too. The podcasts are very famous, and when students use this, they become very happy. When we were with mobile devices, it's incredible. The students pay attention and keep motivated in the class. Yes? Because they know they love these devices and all that is related with this. Uh, when the teacher need to uh, prepare or make a tool for his or her class, he needs to take in account with the functional system linguistic (FSL). What is that? It means that teacher needs to set the cultural background of his or her students to create the appropriate tool for the class. Not only cultural background, also needs to take account of social background. Okay, that's very important. Another important pillar for doing an interesting work is the GERN pedagogical approach. This teaches that the web to use needs to be dynamic and show internal uses. Okay? I know if we use these tools for teaching or for improving our students' writing skills, we will keep the students motivated and attentive to the class. Teaching writing skills is very important, but students need a lot of support from the teachers, and we need to make them to love writing and make it in an easy way. Uh, it's important to say that all the mobile devices and all of that uh, are very important and are very useful for the class because they're easy to connect to wider networks. Okay. Another important uh, tool to help students to improve writing are the microblogs. The microblogs are blogs that let you to be in touch with your students easily and instantly. Like microblogs, we have InShare, we have Twitter, Edmodo. These microblogs let the student write no more than 140 characters, so the messagery is instantaneous. Talking about microblogging, to work with microblogging needs some aspects. Easy connecting, teacher need to organize the material, define what to do, can make brainstorming. Brainstorming is very important because from brainstorming emerge good and excellent ideas. The teacher also can explore to do to other blogs or to other tools for helping him to this. And using this microblog, teacher can gather some data to make research for the class, and it's important to cite the authors of the text or other materials we are using here in the microblog. Okay, dear friend, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.